y'all, it's Matt again, boys and girls. Today we're doing part 2 of Superion, or the Aerial Bots, whatever you want to go with. Today we're doing Air Raid. It is the Revenge of the Fallen toy, which, as everybody knows, is just a repaint of the Energon toys. He is the exact same Transformer as Air Razor, who is just a little bit lighter. This guy is gray. Things that I'll point out on this one that I didn't point out on the other one, just because, well, same Transformer. Landing gear on this one, and on the other one, I think is pretty tight, goes up pretty far. The exact same molds, Energon cube, Autobot symbol. He's just gray. He's just gray and dark gray, or black if you prefer. Same cockpit where you can sit in. Background on Air Razor. Air Razor is always down for a good time. He loves this shit. He'll do things that are just fun and they'll get him into trouble. The jokester. My guess at the parties, he would be the one to hang out with. Being the honest truth. Pretty cool character. Not my favorite of the aerial bots. Not, I really would never do a review on him if he wasn't part of Superion. But, alright, here we go. Transformation, exactly the same as the other one. Pop out the missiles. Pull down the legs, turn the legs, turn. So they're pointing out with the wings fronting forward, feet down, pop arms out, chest piece down, arms down, and done. Again, you can pop that up and use that if you like. Size comparison with another Transformer. He's about Bumblebee's animated size. Give you some sort of clue on what he looks like. Go ahead and put his weapons in. Actually, I'm going to show you something first on this character. On here, in his arms, that little joint right there pops out really well. It looks pretty cool with some of the detailing that you really can't see on the slingshot one. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. His head plating is different. It's yellow on top. Doesn't have the visor like the other one does. And it's a green mold for the eyes, which is sort of see-through, which I think is really tight. Out of the aerial bots, he is my least favorite in character and just look, honestly. He would be a scout or legends class if you would prefer, whatever, if you were, going to go out and get him individually at the store. He still has his original G1 name, which, because who wants to steal that name? I understand trying to steal Slingshot's name, because, but, he never got much press. He's, an arm. That's all he is. Talking smack and whatever not. If I had to rate this in particular Transformer, and this will go for Slingshot too, as in most combiners, the individual cells of the most combiners are not that impressive as a whole. Usually the middle part is the best Transformer and be the only deluxe style in the entire group. But as calling him a scout, as scouts go, I would give him, maybe a 5 if he's lucky. Both of them maybe a 5 in their mode. They're similarly detailed, or they're okay detailed. Their guns make it impossible for them to really have any arm movement. Their heads do a 360, don't go up or down. Their legs will bend, but they're ball joints, so if you mess with them too much, they'll just pop out, just like every other Transformer. So, you know, he can do like a standing pose. And, you know, he can point his gun at you. But since his arm's at a ball joint, it won't stay, you know, very well. This one has a little bit better than the other, but still it's not very good. It's just my particular problem with the ball joint fixture, but whatever. The Energon crystal, I didn't show you this on the other one, but if you pop it out, there is an Autobot symbol inside of there. This is a little neat fixture, but yeah, 5, maybe 4.5 as an individual. It's just a problem with the combiners. You know, it's very hard to make robots that turn into a big robots and make them that great individually, you know, I guess. And they've never, from every line of any Transformer combiner robots, you'll find a lot of flaws. The best being Devastator, and the worst, Abominus was terrible. I mean, well, he's great combined, but as an individual, wow, some of those Transformers were just, okay. But yeah, that's Air Raid, and in a nutshell, and I hope you liked it, and please stay tuned for the next. Alright, bye.